Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on Introduction to Merchant Banking, which goes with the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services for PG. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are the origin of merchant banking, definition of merchant banking, meaning of it, and who is a merchant banker. Now we proceed with the origin of merchant banking. It is although a non-banking financial activity which resembles the banking function. The functions of merchant banking, which originated and grew in Europe, was enriched by American patronage, and these services are now being provided throughout the world by both banking and non-banking institutions. The word merchant banking originated among the Dutch and the Scottish traders and was later on developed and professionalized in Britain. The origin of merchant banking is to be traced to Italy in late medieval times and France during the 17th and 18th centuries. The Italian merchant bankers introduced to England not only by the Bill of Exchange but also to the institutions and techniques connected with an organized money market. Merchant banking consisted initially of merchants who assisted in financing the transactions of other merchants in addition to their own trade. In France, during 17th and 18th centuries, a merchant banker was not merely a trader but an entrepreneur in par excellence. He invested his accumulated profits in all kinds of promising activities. He added banking business to his merchant activities and became a merchant banker. Now, definition of a merchant bank. A bank that deals mostly in international finance, long-term loans for companies and underwriting. Merchant banks do not provide regular banking services to the general public. A financial institution that specializes in services such as acceptance of bills of exchange, hire purchase or installment buying, international trade financing, long-term loans and management of investment portfolios. Meaning of merchant bank. This is a financial institution which provides capital to companies in the form of share ownership instead of loans. I repeat, the ordinary function, they don't go with the normal banking function. It provides capital to companies in the form of share ownership instead of loans. A merchant bank also provides advisory on corporate matters to the firms they lend to. Today, according to the US Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the term merchant banking is generally understood to mean negotiated private equity investment by financial institutions in the unregistered securities of either privately or publicly held companies. Both commercial banks and investment banks may engage in merchant banking activities. Historically, merchant banks' original purpose was to facilitate and or finance production and trade of commodities, hence the name merchant. Hope you would understand why the term merchant had come. Few banks today restrict their activities to such a narrow scope. Now we pass on to who is a merchant banker. A merchant banker can be defined as an organization that acts as an intermediary between the issuers and the ultimate purchasers of securities in the primary security market. A merchant banker is an institution that helps companies to raise capital. It is an organization that underwrites corporate securities, provides advisory services to its clients. Hope you would understood the origin of merchant banking, meaning of merchant bank and the merchant banker. We would meet in the next video. Thank you.